Here's how you patch this area to install a new shower. I use Durock, USG Durock. It's relatively inexpensive, and the key is to just measure and mark it. The better you measure, the better you mark, the easier the job is. I use a concrete drill bit to pre-drill all the holes. Pre-drill the wood frame that you need as a support for the locations of the holes that you're going to be drilling into the concrete block in this case. If you're working alone, you may use your foot to support the wood while you're hammer drilling, and then finally tap conning the wood support for the Durock. Now you're ready for the Durock. You have the backing, and now you'll be able to support it properly. Like I like to always have them pre-drilled, and this way it doesn't do anything to the Durock. And if you have a lousy tile job, this Durock will not disintegrate with time, and so it'll be there operational for many years, even though the tile job was lousy. Now here's the job. You're ready for the vapor barrier at the bottom, and then you can put tile right on that.